Okay, this is the late night on the 4th of July, probably early 5th of July 2014, and this is one of our mortars. And we're going to undo the wick, get it ready to put down in the tube. Now it's basically ready to go. Now if you'll bring the there's the tube. Is it ready? Is the tube on the rock still? I put the tube back on the rock. Now this is the mortar tube. Let's shine it over on this side. We can see what it says. King of the universe. Okay. Well, that being said, here's how we put the hold the camera, please. I don't know if it's shining on the... There we go. So that's how we put the little... This is about an inch size mortar, I guess. And it goes down in that tube there. All the way to the bottom. And just hold that like that. I'm going to light the candle. Okay, so now if you want, you can stand back and keep the camera focused on the mortar, and then you'll be able to turn the light out. But watch out, don't... There's something behind you. There you go. Okay, ready for me to light it? Back up a little bit, because I want you to film the... Okay, you can turn the flashlight off now. And back up a little bit. Here we go.